Now the next is activity 2.2. In this activity we have four groups: group A, group B, group C and group D. Group A contains few crystals of copper sulfate. Group A is having few crystals of copper sulfate, that is CuSO4. Group B is having one full spatula of copper sulfate, so B is having more as compared to A. C is having chalk powder or wheat flour, and group D is having few drops of milk or ink. Now these four different groups have different things. Now what we have to do, add water in all the samples and stir them well. We have to add water in all the samples. Then direct a beam of light from a torch through different solutions and observe them from front. Now we are adding water in this, water in this, water in this and water in this. It will make a solution, and when the solution is formed we will follow a beam of light and it passes through the solution and we observe it from the front. What will happen? Now next is leave the mixture undisturbed for few minutes. Is it stable or not? We will see that if the mixture is stable, is getting stable or not. Next is filter the mixture. Is there any residue left in the filter paper when we are filtering this mixture, or this? Is there any residue left in the filter paper? We will observe all these things. Depending on all these things we will categorize in different categories. So by conclusion, group A and B have got a solution. When copper sulfate is added to water, it got a solution. When copper sulfate full spatula is added to water, it is also become a solution. Now the next, group C has got a suspension because we are adding chalk powder in water. Have you seen when we are adding chalk powder in water, what will form? A cloudy like material, white suspension is over the water surface formed. That is called a suspension. It is in the form of suspension. Now the next, group D, what it formed? Group D got a colloidal solution. When we added few drops of milk or ink in water, we will feel, when you are observing at your homes, when you are adding milk in water, then milk is getting mixed with water, but it becomes a colloidal solution. It is not a pure solution, it's a colloidal solution. Now the next question is, what is a solution? As we know, solution is when we are mixing two things, then it forms a solution. It is in water, or either solid in solid, liquid in solid, liquid in solid in liquid. There are so many types of solution. Now the definition of solution: a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. For example, lemonade, soda water, etc. All these are solutions. Now in these solutions, one thing we are adding in another thing, so depending on these, it is divided into two parts. One is solute and other is solvent. Now generally the solution is liquid in which it contains either a solid. Generally we will see that solution is in the liquid form, in which we are adding solid, or we are adding liquid, or we are adding gas. So these all dissolved in liquid. A solution has main two components. What main two components? One is solute and other is solvent. The solvent is more in amount, in which we are adding, that is, so solute which is present in less amount, that is called solute, and solvent which is present in large amount, that is called solvent. For example, if we are adding sugar in water, then sugar is less as compared to water, so sugar is solute and water is solvent. For example, a solution of sugar in water is a solid in liquid, because sugar is a solid and water is a liquid. So it is a solid in liquid solution. In this, sugar is solute and water is solvent. So which is less in amount, that is called solute, and which is more in amount, that is called solvent. And by combining solute or solvent, what is formed? Solution is formed. Now the next is, a solution of iodine in alcohol is called tincture of iodine. It's most important. What is called tincture of iodine? When we are adding iodine in alcohol, then it is called tincture of iodine. Now we are adding iodine in less amount, has iodine solid here as solute, and which is more in amount, that is alcohol, and alcohol is solvent here. So it is called tincture of iodine, in which solute is solid and solvent is liquid. Solute is iodine and solvent is wine here or alcohol here. So it's all about the solution.